Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Little Talk. It's your girl Sang right here. As the name of the channel is Little Talk, so I thought why not to have a talk which can be very essential for all of us, right? So in this video, I'm going to talk about the 11 things which we can do in our day-to-day life. So here we go. As a known fact, we can't be active 24/7, but we can try to be contented. So why not give it a try to all the small things which we can do every single day and be more happy. So first of all, which we can do in the number one list is make your bed. Yes, make your bed. No matter at what time you wake up, no matter at what time you go to sleep, just make sure that you make your bed as soon as you wake up. The second important thing is to drink water. I know it sounds cliche to say that we have to drink water because in each and every video we do hear about drinking water, but to stay hydrated is one of the most important things all throughout the day, because as we all know that 60% of our body, the adult body, is made up of water. So you can understand how important is it to drink water in order to function well. Third, staying active. Guys, I know I shouldn't be saying this because I'm too lazy for all the exercises, workout, that's not my thing at all. But to follow this, I do try some stretching and some yoga every single day. Whether it's just 10 minutes or 5 minutes, try to do that. Try to keep your body moving so that it can be of great help when we add up each and every day, right? Try to stay active. Just for a name of being active, just for the sake of being active, try to go for a morning walk or evening walk. Just stretch out your body, make it moving. Number 4, try to stay updated. We never know what are the things which are going on all over the world around us. We do spend whole lot of hours using our phone, hopping in different social media, different things, like many things, right? But just go into the Google, try to check it, what's going on, try to stay updated of the news, try to at least read the headlines. Stay updated, guys. We need it in our daily basis. Number 5, stay organized. Try to organize things, whether it's your messy wardrobe or your makeup things or it's your room itself, right? Try to organize each and every little things which hinders you, because it's a psychology, you know. When you organize your thing, your brain gets organized, and it's more important for mental health. Number 6, the list we can do for a proper diet is at least try to eat 5 vegetables a day. Whether it's just tomato or cucumber or carrot or just onion in your daily meal. We do eat lots and lots of junk foods, right? So at least trying to add 5 vegetables in your daily meal makes a huge difference, guys. You'll be able to see that in your health, in your skin, in your hair. Try to at least eat 5 vegetables a day. Number 7 is taking care of your physical health. I mean to say the cleanliness, whether it's of your skin care or your hair care or body care, like in whichever way it's possible for you to take care of your physical body. That is one of the activity which you can add in your daily basis in order to feel more happier, in order to feel more confident, and in order to embrace yourself as you are. Whether it's just a mask day or a hair spa day or it's just a manicure which you can do at your home, you know, feel relaxed. The 8th thing in my to-do list is to compliment yourself. Stand in front of the mirror, no matter what kind of flaws you have, just embrace it. That's what makes you an extraordinary. That's what is of your kind of beautiful. Whether it's your face, your hair, your body, your fingernails, no matter what. Just compliment. That is the best kind of motivation you will ever get. In the number 9, it's to read. At least 9 pages a day. I know it's a lot for those who don't go through the lines. At least try to start it with 3 pages a day. Whether it's the ebook or your school or college's book, which can help you in an academic manner, or just a normal magazine. Just try to go through the lines. Just try to read each and every word. It's really, really important for your mental health. And along with it, I would like to suggest you one thing. In order to increase your vocabulary in English or any language possible, try to learn one new word each day. And in the whole month, you will be learning 30 to 31 new words. Just think about it. Just imagine your vocabulary will be so vast at the end of the month. Just try to add them, okay? If it's possible, try to read the whole 9 pages a day, whether it's just ebook, like I told you already, or just a normal hard copy. Try to start it with 1 page. You can do it. Along with reading, the 10th thing which I would like to add up is try to write down. Whether it's just a simple one line, whether it's just writing down your feeling, whether it's just making the note of the striking thing which happened to you in a day, or it's just the lyrics, whichever and whatever it is possible. Whether it's writing down your feeling for your special one, you can write whole lot of things in a day. I mean, you might have experienced something very extra in a day. You can write it down at the end of the day. Try to make a journal. It will help you really, really in a very different way. I mean, writing down, because what happens is that when you leave your academic junction, I mean, whether it's a school or your college, we stop touching the books, and it had happened to me. I had stopped the whole year. I had not touched a single book. I had not even written anything. But then I realized that I'm lacking in so many things. So I've started writing down things, reading down pages. It will help you a lot, trust me. And lastly, the 11th point is to pray. When you go back home, when you're on a bed, when you're about to sleep, when you're tired of using your phone or laptop, all sort of gadgets, keep them aside, take a break of 2 minutes, and just feel the energy of the infinite power of someone looking after you, your family, your friends, your everything, your whole life, the whole world. Just relax and pray. Even if you don't believe in God, there's the power, the great power who is governing everything, right? Just try to hold down to that thing and pray. It's very, very good for your mental health, for your body, for everything, for your whole life. Make a habit. So here we go, guys. I've completed my list. These are the 11 things which I do in my day-to-day life, and I try to follow it very strictly. Whether I am tired, whether I don't want to do anything, or I'm too lazy to get out of my bed, I try to complete all these 11 things. And to be honest, these are the list which we can do. Whole lot of things are there we can add in our daily basis to improve our day-to-day life, to improve our mental health, physical health, all sorts of things, right? So if you have any other list which you follow in your day-to-day life, you can add it down in the comment below. And if you like my video, do not forget to please press on that thumbs up button, okay? And if you want these things to be shared, these things to be known by your siblings, your cousins, your family, friends, do not forget to share it. And please, please, please subscribe to my channel. If you want more of these things, you can comment down below. I will surely be looking forward to complete it for you guys.